Aviation This Week is brought to you by Aviation, your aviation solutions provider. Your top story: Bombardier to relocate global final assembly to Toronto Pearson. Then Pratt Whitney Canada to power VRT 500 helicopters. And United orders 50 Airbus A321XLRs. Bombardier on December 4th announced a long-term lease agreement with the Greater Toronto Airports Authority to build a new global manufacturing centre at Toronto Pearson International Airport. Production activities for the facility, which includes final assembly operations for all of Bombardier's global business jets, including its flagship Global 7500, are set to begin in 2023. The new facility at Toronto Pearson in Mississauga will be located approximately 20 kilometers from Bombardier's current global aircraft final assembly site at Downsview. The company sold that facility back in 2018 with conditions to continue production there for up to 5 years. Bombardier's new Toronto facility will encompass 1 million square feet, set on 41.2 acres, and employ thousands of workers. Mississauga's aerospace cluster is described as the largest in Canada, with more than 345 aerospace companies employing approximately 28,000 people. VR Technologies, which is part of Russian Helicopters, reached a deal to have its VRT 500 helicopters fitted with Pratt Whitney Canada gas turbine PW207V engines. The VRT 500 was introduced as a true concept back in 2017, and its maker plans to fly the first prototype in 2020. Ultimately, a hybrid version of the aircraft is expected to target urban air mobility. The PW207V is an advanced modification of the PW200 family with the capacity of up to 700 horsepower designed for light-class rotorcraft. More than 5,000 power plants of the PW200 type have been produced, clocking more than 11 million total flight hours. The VRT 500 is a light, single-engine helicopter with coaxial rotor scheme and a takeoff weight of 1,650 kilograms, including a 730-kilogram payload. The helicopter is expected to hold up to 5 passengers, with speeds reaching up to 250 kilometers per hour and a flight range of up to 860 kilometers. United Airlines in early December placed a firm order for 50 Airbus A321XLR aircraft, which were launched in June 2019. The airline plans to leverage the A321XLR to phase out older models and to operate more transatlantic routes from key U.S. hubs in New York and Washington, D.C. The A321XLR narrow-body aircraft is rated for a range of up to 4,700 nautical miles. United expects to take delivery of the first A321XLR in 2024 and to begin international service with the aircraft in 2025. Airbus describes the A321XLR as the next evolutionary step in the A320neo and A321neo family of aircraft. The A321XLR has a maximum takeoff weight of 101 metric tons, while takeoff, climb, and flight performance changes little from the A321neo. At the end of October 2019, the A320neo family had accumulated more than 7,000 firm orders from more than 110 customers worldwide. Thanks again to our sponsor, Aviation, your aviation solutions provider.